Hi there, how's it going? Dennis Gandra here. What are you doing? So today is March 10, right? And it would be our VR course release. But unfortunately, we need to change the release date to March 20, okay? To the next week. And the reason for that, guys, is because this course is bigger than I thought. I'm gonna use thought, okay? Because I'm not sure this is the correct way to say it in the past form. So I'd like to say I think in the past form, okay? I think it's thought. So this course is bigger than I thought. I'm sorry for that, okay? But it's for an amazing reason. It's for a good reason, a really good reason. It's because I'd like this course be an amazing experience, an amazing VR experience with a lot of different things and stuffs and interactions. And on this course, and my goal is using this course, you will be able to create everything you think using VR device, okay? Everything from scratch. It's the reason for that, okay? So it will be available on March 20, and it's because there's a lot of amazing things for this course, okay? And I'd like your help. I'd like to share with you the backstage here at Dviz. So thinking about that, I'd like to share with you this course backstage. What is happening here at Dviz during this course creation. I don't know if I'm saying correctly, okay? So I'd like your help me to develop this course, okay? How this course needs to be amazing. To be amazing and to give you the best experience as possible, okay? Also, even we can call it, for example, the Dviz Backstage Week, and talking more for every day about this course creation, okay? Let me know what you think about that. And we can start it from today and do that during the all next week, okay? So I'd like your help. Could you help me to know about which one do you prefer? For example, do you prefer this member area or do you prefer this member area? Do you prefer this chapter here or do you prefer this chapter here? Would you like this content here or would you like this one here? Okay, so could you help me to know about the new members area? And I'd like to know about you. What do you think about that? Do you like it? Would you like to see different stuff, or is it okay? For example, on the next week, on Monday, I'd like to talk with you about the course page. What do you think about this course page? Do you like it? Or no, I didn't like it, for example. On the Wednesday, what do you think about this chapter here? Is it okay or not? No, Dennis, it isn't okay. I don't like it. Something like that, you know? So for today, I'd like to approve with you two things, okay? The new members area and the content of our course. And on next Monday, I'd like to approve with you the course page, our course page, okay? So let's start approving our new members area, okay? And also the course content. So is it okay for you? What do you think about that? Could you help me to approve this process and these new stuffs about this course, for example, new members area, new content and something like that? So let's keep in touch, and during the next week, let's approve together each new stuffs, okay? the members area, new members area, the course page, the content and chapters, okay, the dubbing, for example. So I will see you on the next story to approve the new members area. So let me share with you my computer here. So we are here on this new platform, okay, specifically about the VR course platform. I'm thinking to change everything, all the Dviz course to this new platform, okay? But I'd like to know, how about you? Do you like this platform here? Talking a bit more about this platform. So we have here a video, a profile, a personal profile, the welcome video, talking to you, explaining you about our platform, a help field to enter, I don't know if I'm saying correctly, to get contact about our VR team, about help, about Dviz help, okay? Our student group, and it's amazing because there are a lot of amazing artists around the world. And here is about the VR course. I'm thinking to create this course one of the best VR experience as possible, okay? So I'm thinking, and how about you? What do you think about that? Let me know. I'm thinking to preparing this course or to split this course in 4 moments, 4 different moments. For example, first moment, building lighting, everything about building, how to create realistic lighting using build, why to use building lighting, how to create an amazing project using building lighting, specifically for VR device, okay? So when you click here, you can see each chapter about building lighting. For example, a welcome, we will talk about the platform, the building, when to use it, why to use it, when to choose lumen and when to choose building, what computer is good enough to use building lighting, a expensive computer, a cheaper computer, review and concept, data smith, how to export the project to Unreal Engine, how to install it, how to use it, build using CPU, using your processor to do that, miscellaneous tool, how to improve the lighting quality, how to use GPU light mask and why to use that. And this chapter here is only about the building lighting. Let me share with you the other stuff here, and it's specifically about building chapter. Let me share with you this one here. So about building lighting, we will learn a lot of amazing stuff about building. Welcome VR, platform, links, good practices about building, introduction, datasmith, export workflow, engine, template, word setting, UVs, what are UVs and why to use it and how to use it easily, okay? Import projects, word settings, UV, light map resolution, migrate, reflection, a lot of different stuffs only for build. Everything about building lighting. And it's the reason this course isn't ready yet, okay? I'm thinking to create this course an amazing experience for VR and Unreal Engine user, okay? So only for build, I'm thinking to these chapters here, a lot of different classes. Adjustment, word settings, GPU light mask, comparing parameters, this class is amazing. Comparing the quality and the features, okay, it changed that, okay? So we will see these chapters and class inside these model chapters here. Okay, so On the second, I need to change this text here to blueprint or interactivity. I think interactivity. What do you think about that? Do you like blueprint or interactive? Which one do you prefer? Okay, so when you click here, you can see everything about interaction using Unreal Engine, specifically for VR device. Everything for ARCHVIZ. Let me share with you this other page here. So, talking about, so we're gonna see the introduction, course goal, why Oculus Quest, why to choose this one. On this class here, we're gonna compare the device available on the market and why to choose Quest 2 and why to choose it, why to choose Quest 2, okay? Computer preparation, setting up, install Android Studio, VR template, okay? So on VR, yeah, Unreal VR first step, we're gonna see VR template, setting up, Oculus, headless connection, Oculus app. On the interaction, we're gonna see a lot of different interaction, and this chapter here is amazing. A lot of amazing stuff for ARCHVIZ using VR device, okay? And the others chapters, a lot of different chapters for this course here, okay? So on the next moment, the 30 moment, we gonna call it PCVR. So you have learned about building lighting, how to do that, how to create a realistic house, a realistic environment using building. Okay, so you will learn how to create the interactivity for this project here. When you've learned how to create the interaction, you will learn how to create it to PCVR, how to present your project using your computer, for example. And inside here there are other different chapters actually, and inside this chapter here, for example, a lot of classes about ARCHVIZ VR scene. On this chapter here, a lot of different classes about adding blueprint in the scene, and also about PCVR packaging, okay? Even standalone, how to use it, how to package it, how to use only your device without your computer. On this chapter here, you can download everything, the course scene, the exercise, the course scene, exercise scene, you know, a lot of different things. And also we are recording right now the next moment here. This moment is about lumen and nanite, how to use them on VR device, how to compare the lumen and build, how to set up, how to optimize stuffs to use lumen and nanite, okay? We are recording this chapter here right now. The goal here, guys, is try to give you the best experience as possible using VR device, okay? So what do you think about this page here, about this member area here? Do you like it? Could you let me know which one do you prefer? This new members area here, or do you prefer Hotmart member area? Okay, guys, did you like it? This new members area, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer this new members area, or do you prefer Hotmart members area? Okay, and let's keep in touch today and during the next week, because today I'd like to approve with you this new members area. On Monday, I'd like to approve with you about the course content, about each chapters and each classes. Okay, For example, on Wednesday, I'd like to approve with you the course page, our video presentation, and approve with you everything during the next week for the March 20 finally release this course for you, okay? And using this course, learn everything about VR device, a bit more about Unreal Engine, and how amazing is present the project using VR device. Okay, so I'd like to thank you for your patience. I'm sorry for that, and this course will be available on March 20. Okay, during this process, I really would like you help me to create the best experience as possible using VR device for ARCHVIZ. Okay, let's do that together. Okay, so I'm keeping up here with our team developing this new course for you and hearing you about your opinion. What do you think about this and what do you think about that? Okay, on next Monday we can talk more about the next step, about the course content, the chapters, classes. Okay, and Wednesday about the course page. We can approve it together. Okay, so have a good one, have a great day. If you need some help, if you need something, let me know here. I really hope this course help you in your projects to increase your revenue, and the content there can be useful for everything you wanna create using VR device for ARCHVIZ. Okay, so let's keep in touch, and whenever you need, contact me here on direct message. Okay, text me here. Bye guys, have a good one, and save the date, March 20.